You are alone? You want to go outside? What do you want? You want something? You want something or you want to eat only yellow? I'm just taking a film. Hello? Hello, little bird. What are you doing? Playing alone? You're playing alone? Hello? No, stop flying. Don't fly. You're going tired. Stop flying. Stop playing also. Don't move. Stay where you are. Hold up ito. My gosh. Ang cute-cute naman ng bird na yan eh. Gusto mo lumabas dyan? No. You cannot go out in your kids because you are running away. What do you want? Did you eat already? You want to eat? You have already there food and you have also water. I'm just taking a film. I'm just filming you, okay? So you're going to be viral. Where are you? Hello, little bird. Come here, come here. Come. Hello. Hi. Stop playing. Don't fly. Stay where you are. Don't fly. Uh-oh, don't fly. Uh-oh. Don't fly. Don't fly. What do you want? You want to play with me? You want to play? You want to play with me? You want to go out? No, I don't want. I don't want you to go out because you're running away. You fly and the outside. Stay. Don't move. I'm just taking you a film. Yay. Hello, little bird. Stay there. Oh no, oh no. You want to be afraid? You want to be afraid? You want to be tired? What do you want? Stay. Stay only. Hello. No. No, stay there. I did not hurt you. I did not hurt you. I did not hurt you. Okay? I'm just filming you already. Hello. I don't want to hurt you. Stay there. Nervous ka ata sa akin eh. Stay. Kunti na lang. A little bit of time and stop filming. Okay. A little cute bird. Come here, come. Hello. Are you afraid? Hi. Takot talaga siya. Cute, 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 cute. A cute little bird. Ang cute. Don't afraid to mama. Hello, my friend. Where are you? You are nervous. You feel nervous. Stop flying. You're gonna be tired. Stop. Stop. Okay. A little bit. A little more time only. Hello. 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 Stop flying. Stop moving. This is a little cute bird. You're so cute. Hello. Come here to mama. Okay, I will stop filming with you. Okay. Bye bye.